Hi everyone, and welcome back to Vintage Nook. I'm Michelle, and I'm so excited to have you here today. In this video, we're diving into the charming world of shabby chic decor with 20 inspiring ideas to transform your living room into a cozy country cottage retreat. Let's get started. A vintage sofa is the heart of a shabby chic living room. Imagine soft pastel slipcovers draped over the sofa, paired with cushions adorned in floral prints and delicate lace details. This creates a cozy and inviting seating area perfect for a country cottage vibe. Distressed wooden furniture adds rustic charm to any living room. A coffee table with chipped white paint or a side table with a weathered finish brings a sense of history and character to your space. The foundation of a shabby chic living room lies in its soft pastel palette. Think blush pink, mint green, and light blue walls, paired with matching curtains and accents that evoke serenity and warmth. Floral patterns are a must for the shabby chic aesthetic. Add curtains, rugs, or throw pillows with delicate floral prints to bring nature-inspired beauty into your living room. Add a touch of vintage elegance with lace and crochet accents. Lace curtains gently filtering sunlight or crochet doilies placed on tables create a timeless and romantic atmosphere. An antique mirror with an ornate frame can serve as a stunning focal point. It not only reflects light but also enhances the vintage charm of your shabby chic living room. Whitewashed floating shelves are perfect for displaying books, small plants, or decorative trinkets. Their rustic finish adds to the cozy, lived-in feel of a country cottage. A rustic chandelier with distressed metal or crystal accents completes the shabby chic look. Hang it above your living room to add soft lighting and vintage charm. Layer your sofa or armchair with soft, knitted throw blankets. Opt for neutral or pastel tones to enhance the cozy aesthetic while providing extra warmth and texture. Wicker baskets are both practical and beautiful. Use them for storing blankets, books, or accessories while seamlessly blending them into your shabby chic decor. Nothing says country cottage like flowers. Fill vases, mason jars, or even repurposed watering cans with fresh or faux blooms in soft hues to bring life and color to your living room. Give a second life to an old wooden ladder by turning it into a unique decor piece. Use it to hold blankets or as a rustic shelf for small plants and trinkets. Create a gallery wall that tells a story. Combine vintage artwork, family portraits, and pressed flowers in mismatched frames for a charming display full of character. Lay down a farmhouse-style rug in neutral tones or classic patterns like stripes or plaids. It warms up the space and adds texture to your shabby chic living room. Personalize your space with handcrafted wooden signs. Display heartfelt quotes or welcoming messages to add a warm, personal touch to your decor. Start with neutral furniture like a cream-colored sofa and add vibrant accents. Bright floral pillows or a patterned throw can bring just the right amount of color to your living room. Old window frames with a weathered finish make for beautiful wall decor. Arrange them creatively to add rustic charm and authenticity to your living room. Use candles in glass jars or rustic lanterns to create a soft, ambient glow. They're perfect for adding warmth and coziness to your shabby chic living room. Display vintage books on a distressed table or open shelves. Their aged covers and timeless appeal add to the charm of your shabby chic decor. Make your living room uniquely yours by incorporating personal touches. Family heirlooms, handmade crafts, or thrifted finds add character and tell your story. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these shabby chic living room ideas inspired you to bring a touch of rustic charm to your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know your favorite idea in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay inspired and cozy. Bye for now.